Today I'm going to show you what shortcuts I use in Adobe Premiere to save time, and some of these work in other programs. I'll let you know which ones those are. Why are shortcuts important? Editing with two hands is much faster than editing with one. Just using your mouse slows you down, so I like to use my hand on the keyboard and my hand on the mouse. Why wouldn't you want to use two? That brings up the first shortcut. Why? It brings up the slip tool. The slip tool just lets you simply roll over back and forth like this and adjust your clip without having to physically move it in the timeline. Okay, we've all been there, working on a deadline and the computer freezes, pauses, crashes. Yes, there is autosave, but it may not have saved your last few critical steps. So, you're fine because you remembered Control S. It automatically saves your work for you. This works outside of other Premiere programs as well. During editing, it is inevitable that we'll have to make a change or go back a step or two. I use the shortcut Control Z to undo. Another great one when editing is pressing K to start your clip to roll, and the spacebar will do the same. But did you know to speed it up, you can simply press L on your keyboard, and then if you press it again, it even goes faster, and even faster, and even faster. I use this nifty trick when playing back my clips to check for errors. I save myself time from using the mouse to click over and drag the cut tool. Simply, I use the C button to bring up the blade button, and you can cut, slicing the clip. Level that up by pressing Shift and you can cut the whole entire timeline. Want to make a title? Press T. Simply brings up your title tool. To copy and paste the clip, click Control C to copy, then Control V to paste it. Another one that works in most other programs. Alright, this may be my single favorite tool in any program on computers. It's Command Tab. It allows me to toggle between screens. Instead of minimizing with my mouse, I simply press Command Tab, and it takes me back and forth to the last window I was browsing. This works for so many programs, it's a lifesaver. In fact, if you even hold it up, you can see what ones you have open. If you want to go to another screen that's not the last one you were at, I simply hit Control Tab, hold on to it, and then press Tab over. It shows you all the windows that are open in your whole workspace. Another great one is Control A. It allows you to select everything in one bin. Sometimes I do that when I'm importing files. Yes, another great one that works in other programs.